Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Thursday, the 30th of December, 2021. One more day, and then we're at the 31st, and that's the last day of the year for 2021. Interesting, isn't it? Now remember, most markets are going to stay right on open with normal trade hours. You do get the bond cash markets closing early tomorrow, but most futures markets have their normal times. Monday, not a trade day. That'll be New Year's Day for the markets. And then Tuesday, it's business as usual as people start coming back. I don't know how many of them will take off the whole week, but it takes a day or so, and then the markets start getting really back to normal. What do you expect on days like today? Light volume, crazy action. Don't be a hero. Don't try to give up or make up your whole trading year in the last 48 hours of 2021. Now, with that in mind, I'm looking at the bonds and notes fairly flat today. Grains down. Now, your exposure on the grain market, especially in the corn and the soybean market, is going to be after tomorrow. You've got to wait until Tuesday, basically, for your first real trades to take place. I guess it will be Monday night. But that gives you a lot of exposure in the market off of a weather condition. Anything can happen. When we take a look at energies, they are on the upswing right now. Remember, I think it's January 4th. We have the OPEC meeting. If you take a look again at a crazy trade, they'll get another 20-cent range in natural gas. It's almost a daily event right now. What wild swings are going on there. In the dollar, making up some of the lost ground from yesterday. If you got my morning subscriber video today, I was very positive on the gold action yesterday. I know it was a down day, but it held all the key averages, and that's what I was looking for it to do. When we take a look at today's jobless claim numbers, they're stellar. No other way around it. The market expected an unchanged number. They got it down another 8,000. I think this is a decades low number, quite a few decades. Continuing claims. This is another number I've been very positive on. It just continues to fall away. That's good. In the export numbers for the grain markets, there's really not much here that you can hang your hat at. I guess corn would be the beat. Everything else was not a beat. In a few minutes, we're going to get the Chicago December PMI numbers. The market will look at it and go, oh, okay, what do we do for the next day or so? And then at 9:30, we get the natural gas storage numbers. Well, that'll set off a little bit of action here as well. But the stock market rally continues. For the doubters that Santa was arriving, nah, come on. You've had a bull market all year. Santa arrived and kept the party going, all right? And remember, it only has to go on the Yale Hirsch theory who developed this. I think it's until the second trading day of the year. And then as far as he was concerned with his study, it ended right there. So anything after that, something else. Don't keep calling it Santa, though, at that point. Now, one of the things I want to remind you is all the research that you owe yourself. What do I mean by that? The New Year's coming. Why don't you make a New Year's resolution? Get market information. If you're a futures trader, the quality of the information is everything. Anybody can write a report, but what about reports that open your eyes up, give you some trading thoughts, something to chew on? We cover it in all these arenas all day long, and I do mean all day long. You will get reports probably, 30, 40 a day. And then wrap-ups at the end of the day. So between all the different markets, you're going to hear what's going on, what's taking place, who's doing the buying, the selling, what our research professionals are looking at, be it spreads, options, future strategies. How do you get it? Well, it's simple. The number went by pretty fast there, but this is simple. www.iraepstein.com. It's our website. And then simply go to research, sign up for it, get your free trial. As you can see, we put a whole new look on this because that's what it's all about, new looks. I'm Ira Epstein. You have a great trading day. I'll see you tonight with our market wrap-ups. Trade well.